Gigabyte AI Top Unleashes at Computex 2024 event. Gigabyte has recently unleashed an end-to-end artificial intelligence solution in order to train large language models over devices at Computex 2024. An exclusive AI solution comprises AI Top Utilities, AI Top Hardware, and AI Top Tutor, surrounding multiple aspects of training open-source AI models. AI Top models use training software that feature various open-source AI models, while AI Top Hardware provides AI-powered products, and AI Top Tutor helps you to comprehend how to get the benefit of it. As mentioned earlier, the company has officially unleashed the AI Top as a solution, which is entirely focused on train your own AI on your desk. The company has provided further information about the newly released products in a press release and subdivided into 3 categories that are the software support, hardware support, and consultation and technical support. According to the company, these softwares are very helpful to the users, offering a user-friendly interface as well as real-time progress monitoring. Additionally, this platform is cost-effective, so it wouldn't be heavy on the user's pocket and provides results faster, in contrast to the cloud counterpart. Although the users are ensured that their efficient coaching system would surely empower individuals in beginning on-device AI projects.